King Studios is being remodeled. Demon King Studios has been upgraded. I have gotten a Vivitar camera, digital recorder, has a little screen, and I'm just going to show you a little something. You flip it open, and then you press this button. I don't know if you can see this right now, but yeah, you can see it. 26 right there, that's how many photos I can take. But then if I change the settings, I can take up to 288 videos, no, 208 pictures. And I can take little videos and upload them to my computer and upload them to YouTube, depending on how the internet connection is working and how my computer's feeling that day, okay? This was a video by Demon King 6000. Hope you enjoy!